try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lot of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 3. Category 4. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to check in photo ID at check-in. Accept major credit cards that reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Food category offerings are available online. Meals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. To book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new at the channel, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you